Basketball you. Betcha I'm back, ready to go with another fitness workout to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed. Each and every day for the game that you love to play, the Daily Trainer is ready to get you underway. Okay, so here we go, right? First workout that we're gonna do is I have this little basketball. That way I can wrap it around my big old head and my big old waist, right? Okay, so the one thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna work ball wraps. So you've done this before, you've seen it before. If you haven't, go to like the very first workout on the channel. Okay, so again, this is a good warm up before the actual warm up workout that we're gonna do. Okay, so first thing to make it easy, we're just gonna wrap that ball right to left. Okay, and it doesn't have to be a basketball, it can be any ball you have at your house, whatever you want. Okay, so we're just keeping that ball wrapped, we're rolling it around. Okay, once we do that, okay, then we're gonna go above our head. Told you I got a big head, right? Boom, getting it around, getting it around. And again, this is a great shoulder workout. Messes with the core just a little bit because you gotta kind of keep that focus and really catching the ball. And you kind of start breathing a little harder, right? Okay, and now we're gonna go under. Okay? So now we're under our legs. Okay, so just keeping it simple in that way. Very easy, right? Now, if you want to go another set, you don't feel as warmed up, you're not ready to get into the workout because you know it's going to be a little hard, you can go left to right. We can go around our body this way. And again, it's just about 10 reps around. It doesn't have to be quite like a lot. And then we're back here. Just moving it around. Again, left to right. I think I hit my head on that one. About 10 reps. And then left to right, under. Okay. Nice and easy. Keeping it set. Sitting in that chair. Oh. There it is, right? Okay. So, there you go, basketball you. Nice and easy. Keeping it very simple with our workout. Okay, drop the mic on that one. But again, most of my workouts won't have the ball in there, but you know what it is. Let's keep it rolling. Basketball you. This is gonna be basically air jump roping, okay? With air jump roping, you're just working the consistency of the jump, really working that exercise. There's a timing that goes with the jump rope, and it's a big thing of, you know, making sure you don't hit your legs, stepping on the jump rope. But with this, you can just keep the consistency, keep it easy, and we're working those arm circles too, okay? So I know you're familiar with that. So just a nice, easy bounce on it, okay? Getting those arm circles. The timing of the arm motion and your feet don't matter as much like it does with the jump rope, but you're okay. Again, nice and easy. I like to go side to side. Just keeps me like in a fun motion of being able to keep the consistency of the jump without getting bored. And then once those calves start burning, you don't want to do too much jumping. But anyway, 50 to 100 jumps, okay? Small jumps. Then we're gonna go into our big air jumps that we want to do as we are looking to be better rebounders off the vertical, okay? So big jump, boom, right? So there's that double jump. And you can do the arm circles kind of slow, but it's really creating that jump to try to tip and fight for the rebound. And that's just another version of the double jump with that, okay? So now when we look at that, we want to make sure the biggest thing that we're focusing on is that explosion, and we're not going to get a chance to go all the way down into a squat jump. So really when we land, we want to be able to pop right back up, all right? Perfect, great job. Keep it rolling too. You want to do about 10 to 15 there. Okay, so now we're gonna do broad jumps. We're just gonna, again, keep it in that short distance. Okay, biggest thing you want, okay? We're gonna go about 3 jumps, okay? But it's very light. So we're gonna be here, boom, here again, boom, here again, boom, okay? Then we're gonna turn around, boom, 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 okay? Very easy. As we continue to do those, and you can keep going, okay? You wanna do about 5 sets of those. And really you're just working on exploding out, boom, landing, really resetting again, and then exploding out again. It doesn't have to be far. Again, these are warm-ups, okay? So it's not about a full workout. I have burpees and other agility workouts that you can do, on other workouts. So we were combining it with the workouts. This is strictly just for the warm-up. All right, so remember, those are broad jumps. We want to land, do about 2 or 3 in a good small space, turn around, and then do it right over again. Okay, just repeat. Okay, so now we're gonna go air squats. Okay, you've seen it in different workouts that we've done before. All right, so now we're going, boom, we're here, we're here, we're here. Again, it's nice and easy. Boom, boom. I like to throw those hands up. Kind of takes my mind off of the squat and the soreness you're about to feel, right? Nice and easy. Oh yeah. I like it. I like it. I like this burn. Do you like the burn? Love it. Okay, boom, perfect. Okay, so again, 10, 15, 20 even. Okay, whatever gets you going, gets you warmed up. Okay, so now as we continue to do it, we're gonna go with the air squat. Okay, so again, have fun with it, right? Get a little bouncy before you go. Get a little bouncy. So now I'm here. Oh, and if you're a dunker, right, you're just getting those legs warmed up because you're about to bounce on somebody's head. And that's what you want, right? Okay, it's nice and easy with the air squats. Nice and easy. Okay, you might start feeling those hammies get a little tight because I know I am. I don't jump like this every day, so this is for you, basketball. This is for you. Woo! The air squats are definitely gonna get you going. Heart rate's up. I'm ready to go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm ready. What? This is everybody's favorite, man. Jumping jacks. You have never done jumping jacks before. Here you go with a quick example. And now we're getting right into it. So here we go. Oh yeah. You want to make sure those feet are outside those shoulders. And when you are spreading those feet wide, your hands are high. Perfect. And you just got to do a few of them. For me, I can do 20 to 30, and it really gets the legs burning. And there's different variations to this. If you don't want to look goofy in the gym doing jumping jacks, while everybody else is looking cool with their Crocs on, you can definitely do something similar to this, and I'm going to show you in just a second. Okay? And finishing it up. Nice job. Whew, you got me breathing hard out here. I'm already warmed up. Not sweating yet, but I'm warm. I'm ready. Are you ready? Ready for the next one? Let's go. All right, so getting right back into it, we're gonna do hand claps. As you can see, they're very easy, similar to jumping jacks, okay? You can do them forward and you can do them up. So I'm gonna do them forward and then I'm gonna do them up. Okay, so I'm here, boom, 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 boom. Get a nice rhythm in. Hey, whoa, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, love it. Come on. You gotta have fun with the warm-up, right? Good, okay? So hand claps, again, shoulders are moving, legs are moving, it's heating your body up, and that's what you wanna be. You wanna be warm, okay? You don't wanna go into a game cold. You wanna be ready. Anything can happen. You get out of that team that's gonna press you early in the morning. Look, you just gotta be ready for anything that's coming, all right? Last one we're gonna do, it's like a little bit cooler version of jumping jacks, but we're gonna stay down. There's gonna be no hand movement. You could do it this way, or if you wanna use the line, I'll do both variations for you. So we're gonna be here, good base, try to keep that back straight. Boom, 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 boom. I like to open up the globe, open up the map, whatever you wanna call it. Oh yeah, come on, right? So you go that way. If you don't wanna use the line or the line bothers you, and you don't wanna bring your feet that close together, we can go here, okay? Nice and easy. We're moving, we're shaking, we're baking. My legs are baking, I ain't gonna lie to you. It's crazy. And I'm doing this for you. Why? Oh, can you feel it? I can. You completed the workout. So great job. Okay. Walk around to cool down a little bit. Be ready to go. Make sure you stay hydrated. Again, this can be for a workout. This can be before your game. Or it could be just to keep moving and stay active when you're not working out. So just make sure that you're always doing something, right? Because that's important. And the reason why is someone's always working. Are you?